Welcome to this Windows and Computer and Technology channel, and we're going to talk a little bit about PC sales for the year 2021. So last year, PC sales actually rose 16%. This is quite interesting when you look at that number. We were expecting that 2021 might not be as great because we thought people in 2020, with the first year of the pandemic, pretty much had purchased everything they needed in PCs. But it seems that nope, PC sales continue to grow. And the interesting thing here is that if there were no shortage of parts, the PC sales would probably have been even higher. And that is definitely an interesting thing to look at. So PC sales, 344.3 million computers sold last year. That is an amazing number because it is almost like the numbers we had at the peak of the best years of PC sales, as were 2010, 2011, and 2012. Pretty amazing that we've gone back there. It seems that the pandemic has simply shown the world that, or the people around, that, well, you know what, we do need a PC actually. We thought we didn't, but we did. So that's pretty impressive, and that is really surprising when you think about it. Now, the biggest number, of course, was 2011 with 365.4 million PCs. Now, if we look at who sells the PCs the most, which are the big PC makers, well, Lenovo is the number one still. 83 million units, or 24.1% of all the PCs sold, were from Lenovo. Lenovo, if you guys remember, for those that follow a little bit of technology, is what used to be the IBM ThinkPad series and all the IBM PCs series. They sold that to Lenovo, that actually took the PC, and so that IBM would not sell them anymore. HP isn't far behind. It's at 74.1 million units sold. That's 21.5% of the market for HP. So HP is up there, not that far away actually, on second place. Dell, 59.5 million units, at 17.3%. And that's pretty cool. Apple, 27 million units at 7.8%, and that is unchanged. Apple has not sold more or less. It stays pretty much at the same pace. So Apple is not necessarily gaining that much from the PCs. And Acer, 24 million units or 7%. So that's the top five, which is pretty amazing. So amazing year, and it's going to be interesting to see what 2022 will bring in terms of PC sales again. Now we're kind of curious because we thought 2021 would be a drop. It's actually a 16% rise. That's pretty interesting for the PC market, and very good news technically for Windows 11 and for Microsoft, because all those new PCs from 2021, a lot of them probably are compatible to Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.